For today we're gonna make an Indonesian stew. It's Sunday, sun is shining, it's quite cold, and what's better than to get some comfort food. So we're gonna make the Indonesian stew with these ingredients. We're gonna need beef, onions, garlic, ginger, 1 or 2 red peppers, tomato paste, beef stock, ketchup mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and olive oil. We're gonna start off with preparing everything. So we're gonna cut the onions, cut the peppers. Let's just start. And we're gonna make big blocks, just raw. That's the onion. Then some garlic. I've got myself half a bowl. Remove the ends. Give them a rough chop. Garlic done. And then the red peppers. We are always saving them in the freezer. We're gonna buy them fresh, put them in the freezer, and whenever we need them, we're just gonna take them out. So I wanna roughly chop them, and I wanna remove the seeds because the real spice will come from the seeds. Let's chop them. Remove the ends. Cut them in half. And we're going to remove the seeds. Now, seeds are gone. Give them a rough chop. That's the pepper. Now, don't forget to wash your hands before your eyes are itching or something like that, because it could really hurt. Next step, ginger. We need about 3 centimeters, roughly. Peel it. I could chop it, but I prefer to use my little tool here. Barbecue already warmed up, about 160 degrees. Open fire. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Nice and hot. We're gonna combine all the flavors together. So the pan's already hot. We're gonna get ourselves some neutral oil in there. And we're gonna sear the meat. Now, when everything got a little bit of color, almost everything, we're gonna go in with all the goodies. So we're going to go in with the onions. the garlic, the pepper and the ginger. Give it a stir. Close the lid and let it go for a while. Got myself a really easy trick. As you can see, I got a can you can open really easy with this lip. Now, remove the bottom side. Get the bottom out. Open the lip. And just give it a shake. And as you can see, everything will come out nice and easy. Nice and clean. Now stir it in. If you think it's not enough, you can always add a little bit extra. You want everything nicely covered in the tomato paste. And let this bake for a while. The sourness will go. And the nice rich tomato flavor will be left. The sourness disappeared from the tomato paste. Now it's time to go in with some ketchup mayonnaise. And it's about 12 tablespoons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12. Give it a stir. Then we're gonna go in with 4 beef stock blocks. Get them in, get them a little bit crushed. And take about 1.5 liters of boiling water and get that in. And here's the trick. Now it's time to let it go for about 2 hours. I've got myself this wooden spoon. Place it in there, put the lid on top, close the barbecue, and 2 hours at about 160 degrees Celsius.
2 hours later.
Let's check it out. I'm gonna open up the barbecue, remove the lid. And you can see it bubbling and it's really hot. Now I want to try a little bit of meat. Let's see if it's really tender. Oh, come on. Give me a nice bigger piece. And you can see, you can just tear it apart, no problem. Oh, hot. Ah. The taste is really great, but it's kind of thin. So here we go with the maizena. Throw it in. Give it a stir. And now in a couple of minutes, the sauce will thicken up and the dish will be ready. The only thing I noticed is that I need to add a little bit more pepper. Oh. Don't be scared to put in a lot of it, because it's a big pan and it could use quite some pepper. There we go, a little stir. And in about 3 minutes it will thicken up, it will be thick, and the sauce will be nicely binded. And it's already thickened up. And by the miracle of time, a couple of minutes later, it's gonna be time to shut down the barbecue and to take it off. There we go. Open up the lid. It's really hot. Give it a little stir. Oh, that's gonna be a feast. Now, time to give it a taste. Oh, nice, warm, comfort food. A nice big spoon with some sauce and some meat. Oh, oh, it's hot, but the sauce nicely thickened up. Oh, that's making me feel warm inside my body. Well, another great dish this week. If you have some ideas, then let me know in the comments, because I can make it. For me, it doesn't really matter. If you got a nice idea, let me know in the comments and I'll be working on it. So this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye. If you got some suggestions, if you have some ideas,